A kitchen is not just a place for cooking. It is home to all gatherings where families share meals, conversations, and make lasting memories. But lack of awareness often leads to poor ventilation and uninformed cooking practices, which can expose family members to long-term health risks. To ensure a safe environment in the kitchen for all, the Global Centre for Clean Air Research at the University of Surrey, led by Professor Prashant Kumar, has put together a complete guide that offers helpful advice to tackle the risks of indoor air pollution. Our first video introduced the guidance. This follow-up video highlights some specific suggestions from the guide that we can all start applying today. Suggestion number 1. Boost ventilation while cooking by opening windows, doors, and using extractor fans where possible. Opening both doors and windows is over 50% more effective at reducing exposure to harmful conditions, while adding an extractor fan into the mix can further reduce pollutant exposure by 2 times compared to natural ventilation alone. Suggestion number 2. If cooking doesn't need your constant attention, step away from the kitchen during prolonged cooking sessions. This reduces your exposure to indoor air pollutants that take time to properly dissipate. The same applies to your family and friends, especially children and elderlies. Keeping them out of the kitchen while cooking protects their health. Suggestion number 3. Frying food releases huge amounts of fine particle matter that can be harmful when inhaled. Opt for healthier cooking methods, like roasting and steaming instead. These methods are better for air quality besides being inherently healthy. Additionally, choosing recipes with shorter cooking times can minimize your exposure to harmful particles. All of these suggestions combined can help you significantly reduce both you and your family's exposure to indoor air pollution, creating a healthier kitchen environment. It's essential to raise awareness about indoor air pollution and the simple actions we can take to reduce it. Share this video with your friends, colleagues, and your wider community and help spread the word about the importance of clean air in the kitchen. To find out more, please download the guidance by visiting www.surrey.ac.uk/cleanairkitchens. Let's create healthier homes, one kitchen at a time.